안녕하세요. Hello K-friends. Today I want to introduce tuna tofu recipe. The ingredients are so simple, yet the taste is great. Let's get started. Drain the tofu with a cotton cloth or a kitchen towel. If you don't drain the moisture, it can break easily when frying in a pan. Put the canned tuna in a strainer and press down with a spoon to drain the oil. Chop the carrots thinly. Slice thinly again. Chop it finely. Cut the green onions in half and slice them finely. Chop it finely. Cut the red pepper in half. Remove the seeds inside. Slice it thinly. Chop fine again. You can also use red bell pepper instead of red pepper. All ingredients are ready. Put 3 tablespoons of starch powder so that the batter is well coated. If the vegetables are watery, add 1 tablespoon of starch powder to adjust the consistency of the batter. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Also add some ground pepper. Put 2 eggs. Adding an egg enhances the taste and helps the batter stick together. Mix well. You can also add 1 more egg yolk for color. Flatten the finished batter into rounds of appropriate size. Now I'm going to fry it in a pan. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan. Cook over medium heat first, then reduce the heat to low and cook until golden brown on both sides. Cook each over low heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Cover with a lid to cook well. Once one side is fully cooked, turn it over so it doesn't break. Cover again and fry for a few more minutes. Wow, it was fried very well. It smells great. Put the finished pancake on a plate. Cook the rest in the same way. These pancakes can also be a substitute for rice. Very light and nutritious tuna tofu pancake is done. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.